There we go. I had the wrong mic connected, chat. I had the complete wrong... I don't know which mic was connected. Probably some low quality mic for my webcam. Thank you for telling me this. Who said this? Why so quiet? Where was it? Norvin, thank you for telling me. I would have streamed the whole day like this, so thank you for telling me this. Now you should hear me much better. My wrong mic was connected, so that was why. So I'm probably gonna go over the whole thing again quickly, because you probably didn't hear anything I said before. So we're gonna go back quickly and do the recap again from yesterday, from the trades that I shared as well. One of them I shared at least, the other one I didn't share. Yeah, but I'm gonna go over this quickly again. So this, I got some questions on my Discord chat from how I traded this yesterday. So you can see the trade still here because I'm still connected to TradeAway, to the prop firm accounts. So you can actually see my entry. This was the trade from yesterday. So I entered here. I'm gonna get to your questions, by the way. Give me 1 second. I just wanna go over this chat. So I entered a long here. It went up to 1 hour, but I was sleeping here. This was at 2 a.m. I mean, I was sleeping here already. So I didn't close this. This would have been insane, closing this at 1 hour and then longing the other entry, which was here. This was also not a really clean entry, by the way. This was not a sniper. I should have waited for even lower here. But I'm gonna show you the trade quickly. This was the long, which recovered the loss from the last stop loss here. So I had my stop loss here. This was a really tight hit here. Almost got stopped out on this trade. So I'm really happy that we actually went up here. But yeah, this is the first long, stopped out, lost 2k on this long chat. So I lost 2k. I was down 2k here. But then the other limit order filled. So I had 2 limits placed overnight. So this limit also filled overnight, and I woke up around here. I woke up at 11 a.m. and I closed it here. I could have held it to max TP chat. I would have even made 2k more. So it did go to my exact max take profit, which was here. And why did I place this take profit here? Even though I closed this earlier, I'm gonna show you quickly. There we go. Exo charts. I just want to quickly go over this chat because I got a lot of questions regarding this in the Discord, and I just want to be transparent with you guys and show you how I actually traded this. So this would have been the full take profit here, and I closed it here, chat. I closed it here because the CVD went down. So I closed it here, locked in the gains here, but it went to my max take profit. So I kind of missed out on 2k. So I missed $2,000 because it would have gone to full take profit at the exact previous day value high. So yeah. And now we're just chilling. Now we're chilling and waiting for a new trade. But I wanted to quickly show you this. Alright, now let me go over the chat. Starplat is also here, welcome back. But this is my day, yeah, so we hit 1 stop loss and 1 2-hour trade. So the first one was, I lost 2k. Second trade, I made 4k, so yeah, we are up. We are up almost 2k today. Which is fine, I'm completely happy. We didn't have a single losing day this week, chat. I didn't have a single losing day the whole week. Like, it's a profit factor of 4.4 I'm at right now in this week. So this is an absolute banger week so far. So if we hit 1 more take profit today, I'm gonna do it like this, chat, for today's stream. I'm gonna look for 1 more trade. So we're gonna risk 2k. I'm gonna risk 2k on this trade. So in the worst case, we will go break even today, right? And I'm not gonna force another trade. That would just be stupid. And in the best case, we make another 4k or even 6k maybe if we get a really clean entry. So I want to look for 1 really juicy and clean setup, and I don't want to force any low quality setup right now because we're already up. Back in chess today, I was at the gym as well yesterday. It was a nice gym sesh. So yeah, so we're gonna wait, chat. We are gonna wait here. I want to see higher for a short still. But interesting price action today. And it's Friday the 13th, chat, so I don't know. I don't like to trade on a Fridays, and especially if it's Friday the 13th. We're pumping. Wait, what happened to my AirPods? Wait, now you should surely hear me fine, chat. My AirPods just connected to my MacBook, so I disabled the Bluetooth. There we go. It looks like we're retesting the previous day value high again here. Yeah, so I could have just held this long. I mean, we had an insane entry. At 6658 was my entry. I was far from getting back to the entry, actually. I could have just held this. But, you know, it's... yeah. I don't know, I don't like Fridays, chat. I don't like Fridays, I'm gonna be honest. So I'd rather lock in gains and be done with it. Because we also had a stop loss, so yeah, this is what I also said in Discord. I could have held this, chat. I could have been greedy and held this trade, right, for more gains. But on the other hand, it's kind of stupid because I had a stop loss before, so I was in drawdown before. So closing this at 2R makes a lot more sense, chat. A lot more sense. I mean, yes, we can. There was a high chance that we were going higher, especially for my entry here, down here. 6658 was my entry. But yeah, I just wanted to lock in the gains, honestly, and be done with it. OG rank, yeah, Earth got the OG rank. He's really active as well. He's really active as well, and so he reached level 10 in the Discord. Congrats on that. And by the way, chat, this is insane. We are giving away, this is absolutely crazy for anyone that is new to the stream. I'm gonna give away 10 15k accounts this week with Fundednext. So this is the biggest giveaway we have ever done. I'm giving away 150k in a week to my community, which is so crazy, chat. I'm so happy about this. And if it works out well, we can do this again. So chat, I need you to sign up through my link. I need you to sign up through the link to join and also be active in the Discord. And type, can some of you type this here in the chat? Type this here. I want to see if I can choose some winners for the giveaway on the stream, because I want to choose a winner on stream today. Maybe I asked the guy from Fundednext. Let me see if he responded. No, he didn't. Okay. Type this in the chat quickly. Exclamation mark giveaway. I want to see if this works. So if we can actually choose a winner. Oh yeah, it does. Nice. It does, chat. It does. So everyone type exclamation mark giveaway. This is really important, chat. Wait, I'm gonna actually write this down. Type exclamation mark giveaway to join 2 days. So I'm gonna give away, if this works, chat. I need to wait for the answer from Fundednext, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna say yes. So we're gonna give away an account live today. This is gonna be really fun. Type giveaway to join 2 days 50k 2-step Fundednext Forex account. And sign up. This is really important, chat. You have to be signed up through the link, but most of you are already, so you have to do this once. Sign up here. I'm writing something in the YouTube chat quickly, give me 1 second. Man, we are pumping. We are absolutely smashing it higher. Type giveaway to join the 2 days 15k 2-step Fundednext Forex account. Giveaway. Oh wait, let me use ChatGPT, man. I'm too tired to. Let me quickly use ChatGPT here. Write this better for a YouTube pinned message. Oh no, now you cannot see the order flow. Wait, give me 1 second, chat. Man, I'm so bad at multitasking. I'm gonna be honest here. I'm like the worst multitasker. This is gonna be crazy. We're gonna give away a big account today on stream. We are pumping, man. Oh, it's such a long, really short 2 sentences. ChatGPT wrote me a really big message. What is ChatGPT doing? Doesn't get what I wanted to type, I guess. Let me do it manually quickly. Wow, this is so annoying, chat. Cannot copy this link. I have to get it from Discord. There we go. We are... Chat, what is going on? I mean, the long would be insanely printing right now. Wow, imagine holding the long, chat. Imagine having the balls to actually hold my long. We would be up really big. Man, we'd be up like 6k right now. This is kind of crazy, chat. Yeah, I need to, next week, I need to start growing the balls, chat, to actually hold my trades. It's kind of crazy. Like, I'm missing so many gains because I just lock in my profits too fast. I really need to start leaving runners. I'm kind of deciding how... You know what I've been thinking, chat? I've been thinking of actually doing this the next time. It's changing my strategy a little bit. I'm gonna show you this in 1 second. Let me quickly do this though. Wait, let me finish this here first. I'm gonna show you what I want to change in my strategy probably. So we can fix this issue of missing really big trades. Alright, let me pin this, sign up here too. There we go. Let me pin this message. There we go. Alright. Now we are ready. Man, oh man. We would be up a lot, chat. So this is my idea. Alright, so guys, first of all, to join the giveaway, type !giveaway. I will be giving away a 50k account, 15k account, so $50,000 account. And it's the best one as well. It's the 2-step account. I use the 2-step account myself, so these are the best accounts for trading CFDs. So we're gonna give away 10 of these until next Friday. I can give away 10 15k accounts. And we're gonna choose a winner. If this works with Fundednext, I'm gonna choose a winner on today's stream. At the end of the stream, I'm gonna choose the winner. So you have to stay in the stream until the end. And I will pick the winner live on stream, chat. So you can see me pick the winner. And all you have to do is sign up with the link and type !giveaway. Wow, we would be up so much, chat. Like, it's insane. I should have held this, but it is, you know, the safe route was actually closing it. Because we could have also went down, right? Yeah, we could have also went down, and then it would have been really dumb. So I'm still happy. We are in profit still, chat, and we are going to the short entry soon. This is good. So I can see everyone that actually joined. We have 7 participants in the giveaway right now, chat. 7 people that joined. So yeah, it seems to be working fine. And if you're subbed to the channel, you have a bigger chance of winning. So you need to be subbed to the channel as well, if you want to have a bigger chance. Because people that aren't subscribed to the channel have a lower chance of winning. But how cool is this? Now we can actually maybe give away accounts on stream. This would be so cool, man. This is really what I worked for, chat. So I can give away accounts during my streams. That's actually why I started to stream. And because of all of your support, this is only because of you guys, by the way. Because of your support, I can give away these accounts. So we are gonna give more and more accounts away. The bigger my streams get, we're gonna give a lot of accounts away, chat. Norvin also joined it. And it's really good for my streams because I wanted to do this a long time ago. And I waited like 1 month for Fundednext, and now I think now we can really finally do it. Let me see if he responded. I'm gonna quickly type to him privately. Can you check the server ticket? And it's really cool. I just have to provide him the list of the winners by next Friday. So you will get the account. You'll get the account after next Friday. And they are Forex 2-step accounts. So these are the best accounts in my opinion for trading Forex. They have the biggest drawdown. I personally use them as well. These are the best accounts on Fundednext for trading Forex. So yeah, I made sure to get the best ones for you guys. And honestly, these like 15k accounts are perfect to learn trading, chat. So if you are if you're new to trading, like these are really good to learn trading on. I started on them myself. I actually started on Forex accounts myself. I didn't start with trading futures. Alright, now let's look for a trade actually. Let's look for a trade, chat. For one more trade here. 6750. Let me see on TradingView what we have. Wow, okay, we have this anchored VWAP here as well. Let me go to TradingView. Man, chat, we would have been up 3.7 R on this long if I didn't close it here. Look at this, I closed it at 2.1 R and it went up to 3.6 R. This is crazy. So we could have just held this. I didn't have the balls to hold this though through the news. Kind of had to have a lot of balls to actually hold this through the red folder news, but yeah. So, wait, let me now focus, chat. I need to focus now quickly. So this is a level here that already looks interesting. This anchored VWAP is also really strong resistance level, by the way. You can see it was hit to the dollar almost here as well. What do we have on 4 hour daily? Let me check daily quickly. We're gonna mark this out here quickly. This is kind of important to have marked out. I'm gonna copy and paste this. Oops. Alright guys, I'm not gonna respond to the chat right now. I need to quickly focus on like getting a new entry here. Wow, this is such a clean trade though. We can also delete this here. This is no longer important. What is wrong with my mouse today? Zooming in way too much. 30 minutes. Kind of looking at the market structure right now. This is the first thing I always do. Oh, this is actually a daily here. This is a really strong support. This is a 1 hour. This is also. Oh, this is a 4 hour here. Wait, let me see. 4 hour. There we go. This looks clean. All right. This is the daily here. Daily here. Wow, this weekly, man. This was, chat. This was an order flow level here. Look at this. This was an insane short here. Like, this weekly level here got hit to the dollar. I had this already before it got hit on my chart, by the way. This was such an insane short. Now I'm gonna delete this though. It's no longer relevant for me. And what are the weekly levels here? Hit. Not, yeah. Don't want to trade these. These are all washed here. I'm just kind of cleaning up my chart here quickly, chat. Then we're gonna look for a new trade to place here on my 10 accounts. So I'm kind of like focused right now. All right, we're still in the structure here. I mean, we're still in this downtrend, but this is gonna break out soon. So guys, this is gonna be a massive breakout here, by the way. Once you break out of here, this is gonna be really a massive move. Because we have been in this triangle here. Look at this. So once you actually break out of here, either to the upside or downside, yeah, this will be a big move. So this is gonna decide the next bigger move here, basically. Break out of this. Irv took that short. Yeah, I know. Irv actually in the chat took that short, chat. He was in the long with me from here, so we longed this here. I gave you this level as well to trade on my Discord. So we longed here, we closed it together on Discord here, and he actually shorted this here as well, this guy. He actually shorted this VWAP here. Insane short. Irv, which short level are you looking for? That would be nice to hear. So yeah, this is the technical, this is how I would do my technical analysis here on TradingView. Don't need anything else on this. I mean, this is insanely respected here. And the anchored VWAP, look at this, chat, was also the low. Anchored VWAP was also the low. I mean, technical levels are so respected as well on ES. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. And this 1 hour level perfectly respected here. And took out the lows of the range. Yeah, clean trade. And we also hit, by the way, let me show you this as well. And we also hit the 0.706 fib here. And almost the 0.8. So the 0.8 was a little bit front run here. Tiny bit front run. So this, yeah, this is insane. Yep, that's what I wanted to show you, chat. So we can actually, by the way, since we held this low, we can actually go up to here now. So 6776 is the next fib target for the bulls here. But yeah, actually here we also have an order flow level, I think. So we're gonna check that now. I'm gonna go back to the order flow. Now we have a really clean chart. Alright, still moving around here at the same price. Alright, and now we're gonna check the order flow. 6776 is such a nice level, but I don't think we're gonna go up there today. That would be crazy. 6776. Alright, let me quickly focus here, chat. Alright, 6776. I'm gonna mark this here out as well. It's right at this fib. It's insane. It's exactly at the fib as well. It's crazy. What a coincidence. That was... What is this? I'm just gonna call it key. Key level. There we go. And now I'm gonna look for... 6752 is also really strong resistance here. 6752, which is below this 1 hour level. I'm gonna call this key, it's much easier. Alright, and we have one more at 6769. So we have a lot of levels here, chat, a lot of resistance here. There we go. Key level. And the one at 6778, yeah. So these are actually my key levels here right now, chat. Do you have anything else? This is a really strong resistance area, by the way, for the bears especially. Alright, and let me quick look at the other markets here. What is Bitcoin doing today? Wow, it didn't even notice, chat. What is going on with Bitcoin? Massive pump here. That's strong. If we break this last low high here, that would be really good. Ethereum also up 5% here. We need to reclaim the weekly here on Ethereum as well. But yeah, I'm gonna place a short here, chat. I am gonna place one more short here. Wait, why is my trading view frozen? There we go. Wait, is my trading view frozen, chat? Or is my stream lagging? Can anyone tell me if my stream is lagging right now? It was taking so long to change the screen. Oh, now it's fast again, alright. So yeah, I'm kind of deciding which short we should take here, chat, out of these. These are all decent shorts here. But let's see. So this is what I wanted to talk about before, by the way. I had this idea to change my strategy a little bit. Well, not the strategy, but the way I place the trades. And I quickly wanted to show you what I mean. Because if we did this here, we would still be in the trade. Well, we would have closed half of it and we would still be in the trade. So I'm actually thinking of next time, instead of doing a 1-2 contract order, placing 2-1 separate contracts, because then I can leave a runner. And I actually think for my strat this would be insane. But yeah, I need to live test it obviously, because I used to always open 2 or 3 contracts at one place with one order and then close them all together. So yeah, I think we can do this today. I want to try this actually. So we're gonna place one here. I want to place one here for sure. I'm gonna hold this. Let me think now, because half of it what it usually is. I'm gonna close one here at 3R. Stop loss above this here. Above this high. And I'm gonna place one in case we actually pump higher. I'm gonna place one more here. And this one I would love to leave as a runner, obviously, as well. From this nice entry here. And we're gonna risk another $100 here on each account. I think this is really clean, chat, if I start doing this, because I can manage the trade much better and I can leave runners open. What do you think, chat? I think you should really trade 3 contracts. I think 2 is too little if you want, yeah, or maybe 3 1 contracts as well. That would be really good as well. But then I risk more, you know what I mean? Because I used to risk $200 for each trade, and if I use 3 contracts, I will have a higher risk for this setup. So you gotta keep that in mind. Alright, I'm gonna place these orders, chat. We're gonna leave them running now. And we're gonna chill now. Yeah, this looks clean. This looks really clean as a last day trade for Friday. So we have 2 sells placed. Long, by the way, I'm gonna also place a long here. We're also gonna place a long for sure. Which was the level that I wanted to long. Let me see. Which was the level again? It's kind of far away, but 6662 looks really good. I'm gonna place one there, 6662. You never know what's gonna happen. Kind of far away right now, but... And here I'm gonna use 2 contracts though for this one, because I don't really have another entry. So we're gonna choose 2 contracts, risk $200 here as well. And as you can see now, we basically have a max risk of 4k. No, wait, what am I saying? Yeah, of 4k right now if all trades would hit the stop loss, but it's almost impossible. Like if we go down here, and yeah, it's basically impossible that this happens. That we hit stop loss on all these trades. That's kind of impossible actually. But yeah. So we're gonna do this, chat. Now we have the trades placed, and now we can chill. And now I can get back to the chat here as well. Let me go to the order flow. There we go. I like these levels though. I really like these levels, chat. If we go there, we can get one more juicy trade, I think. To be honest, smaller stop loss makes sense. Also because these order flow levels usually, if it's good or really good to a smaller stop. Yeah, that's true. That's true. And also notice this. But you know, with my strategy, that's the cool thing with my strat, with the risk management I use as well. It's like I don't risk a lot, but I can still make a lot of money because I'm on a lot of funded accounts, you know what I mean? Like I risk $200 for one trade on a 50k account. But if you have 10 accounts and you hit 1R, with 1R I make 2k, you know what I mean? So for example, the trade that I had opened and closed at 2R, which would have gone to almost 4R, would make 8k, you know what I mean? Like it's kind of crazy. So I mean, yes, I could risk more and I could make more money as well, but I kind of just want to scale these accounts slowly. But what I'm gonna do now after the payout, guys, I sent you the payouts from yesterday's stream as well on Discord that I got, and now after these payouts from today, so today I'm gonna request more payouts, and after the payouts from today, I'm gonna really farm my buffer the next week. So what I want to do, this is gonna be really crazy, chat. So what my plan is now, next week I'm gonna farm the buffer. So what this means, on a 50k account, you have usually a 2k buffer. So if you take the challenge, you can lose 2k. If you lose 2k, you lost the account, right? And once you get funded and you have the first payout, I think it's after first payout, or even once you get funded, I think it's like that. But then your buffer actually can move higher than 2k. So if you don't pay out, you can increase your drawdown. So basically, if I'm up 4k, or let's say I'm up 6k on my account and I haven't paid out, I'm on a 50k account, I'm at 56k, then I have a drawdown of 6k. So 3 times the normal drawdown that you usually have on these accounts. And then, chat, I'm gonna farm the buffer, and then we can start risking more and I can make a lot more money. So this is what I'm gonna focus on next week. And we can leave more trades as a runner and stuff like this. So yeah. Next week we're gonna farm this buffer, chat. This is gonna be crazy. This is gonna be crazy. Peach User, very nice background. Thank you, man. You're still here, Peach User. This is gonna be crazy, chat. Imagine once you build like a 6 or 8k buffer, we can really start to trade with 3 or 4 contracts and we can make a ton of money from these moves. And we can also leave them open longer. To join the giveaway, chat, really simple. I'm giving away until next Friday. This is big. This is probably one of the biggest giveaways I've seen a streamer do. Most of the streamers, they don't do giveaways. They take the money they get from the prop firms, and I just do giveaways. So we are giving away, listen to this, chat, we are giving away 10 15k accounts until next Friday. And I'm gonna give away one for free today on stream. At the end of today's stream, there's gonna be one winner. And to join the giveaway, chat, it's really simple. Read the pinned message. You have to sign up with the link and only type this here in the stream. So type !giveaway. And at the end of the stream, everyone that typed the word, we will make a raffle. I will show you my screen where I choose the winner from, and you can also see your name from everyone that joined. And we're gonna choose the winner at the end, live on stream. And yes, you're gonna get the account by next Friday then. So everyone that wins these accounts, they will be sent out by next Friday from Fundednext. This is crazy, chat. This is the first big giveaway. So we're giving away 150k. 150k in funded accounts until next Friday. This is absolutely insane, chat. I've been streaming like 2 months for this, and now we actually get some viewers, and yeah, I can give away accounts. I'm so happy about this actually. Sato, lies mir die Nachricht oben, habe versucht mit Position. Can you write English, Earth, because we have a lot of English viewers here in the stream, so I don't have to talk Swiss German. I'm gonna look at your message, chat. If you want to reach out to me, send me a message on Discord. I'm gonna check my messages after the stream. Come on, can we pump higher, please? Can we actually go to my entry? But this is gonna be crazy, guys. Giving away 150k in funded accounts in 1 week. Like, this is, yeah. This is really insane. And how many people are in the giveaway right now? Let me see how many people joined. We have 13 people that joined. I'm gonna actually send a message to Fundednext here as well. Really cool, chat. I got the confirmation. This is insane. I just got the confirmation from the guy from Fundednext. You can let the giveaway run for 7 days at least, and then you can raffle draw in your stream. Since the rule, okay, wait. Since the rule is to engage with other members in the server, we need to give the members enough time to be active and stay engaged in the server. Then again, only the most active members will be chosen as the winners. I'm gonna send him my stream quickly, so he can also join. Maybe the guy from Fundednext is gonna join the stream, chat. That would be kind of funny. I'm gonna send him the stream quickly. So how can we do this? I'm kind of thinking, chat, how should I do this now? I think... You know what I could do, actually? I could just collect participants that type the word giveaway in the stream. And I save the names. I'm gonna show you the names at the end of the stream. I'm gonna... I can save the names and put them in ChatGPT and then choose 10 at the end of the week. That would be possible. But basically what he said, chat, it's really important that you're also active in Discord. So this is basically what the guy from Fundednext said. Well, I'm bad at CFD trading, so I'll leave the giveaway to you guys. But that's how you learn it, Jan. That's how you actually learn it. I mean, how can you say no to a free account to learn on? But if you don't want them, it's fine, obviously. We are dumping again. I mean, I don't mind going to the long entry, chat, as well. We can go to the short or long, I don't care. It's my first time. What did you say? We have so many people in the chat, it's crazy. Let me read the chat quickly. What did Irv say here? Wollte ich mal eine Sprachnachricht? You can write me a voice message. Oh, you wanted to explain your strategy? Yeah, that's cool, Irv. Yeah, for sure. You can leave a voice message on... Send me a private voice message on Discord. I'm gonna listen to it. Man, I'm not used to the chat being that active. Honestly, it's kind of crazy. I will take it. Yeah, you should take a chat, honestly. These are good accounts. These are 50k two-step. I used the two-steps myself. They're really good accounts. So I would definitely grab these accounts, especially if you're... Even if you're not profitable yet. I mean, in the worst case, you lose the account. You're not gonna... You didn't spend any money on it, you know what I mean? Chat, how should I do the giveaway? How should I... Because he wrote to me... So he texted me, I asked him if I can give them away in stream at the end of the stream, and he said you can, but let the giveaway run for 7 days at least, and then you can raffle draw in your stream. So what we could do is I could collect all the participants that type giveaway, and at the end of the week we choose 10 winners. That would work as well, right? But you guys, you also have to be active in Discord. So please, if you can, and if you type the word already, chat, also be active in the Discord. It's really simple. Just share your analysis, share your trades a little bit, that's it. Because I think they will check for this. But I think we're gonna... I would have loved to like draw one winner each stream. Let me ask him this quickly. I'm gonna ask him this. Can't I draw one winner every stream? And we publish all the winners at the end of the week. That would be perfect, chat. I want to do it like this. I'm gonna ask him. I'm kind of rude. But I would love to do it like this, because then I can choose one every stream at the end of the stream. So all the people that stay in the stream are gonna be rewarded with accounts, basically. So all you need to do, chat, is type ! giveaway on YouTube, and that's it. You have to type it once only. We have like 14 people already in the giveaway. And chat, I'm waiting for my order. We are waiting for a trade. I don't want to trade here yet. We are basically waiting for lower here. So I'm waiting for 6663, and I'm waiting for higher as well. I'm gonna show you the trades again in like 10 minutes. 3 accounts, I'm gonna be rich. Yeah, I'm honestly 15 accounts are perfect to start out. And even with a 15k account, you can have a nice payout already. And for a lot of people that are studying or in school, it's like the best way to start trading. But please do me one favor, chat. If you win these accounts, don't gamble on them, please. Like, don't risk like, I don't know, crazy amounts. Don't need to risk a lot. So please don't gamble on them. And this is also really important for the people that will win the accounts. They need to be like document the journey a little bit. So maybe once you win the account, chat, at least that's what Fundednext would like to see. They would like to see like your journey, how you trade on them a little bit, and you can share that in the Discord or with voice messages or with videos as well if you want. But I don't want to force you to do a video, whatever. But you can do whatever you want. But that would be really cool, chat. Because that's what they actually want to see. If Alan is here, we might get a 15-minute free bar. I remember him telling me this. Where is Alan, by the way? Where is the legendary Alan? And where's our Chinese trader? It's so cool, we have one Chinese trader here in the chat. That joins like every stream almost. Is he here actually? O4G, is O4G in the chat? His name is O4G, like Chinese letters and then O4G at the end. It's my third profitable month, man. You are printing. So you started printing since you joined my Discord. This is a coincidence, Irv. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. A lot of people are actually, since I started streaming, are making a lot of gains, from what I can see at least on Discord. I mean, we had really crazy streams as well with insane trades, and a lot of trades that I shared have been really crazy as well. I'm just kidding, Irv, that was the joke though. Best free Discord, we have the best free Discord. It's also kind of funny to trade with other people, like, especially at midnight. A lot of people are always awake until midnight. And then we take some late night trades as well, sometimes at least. We are dumping again. What is this price action here? Oh, I wish I would have held the long a little bit longer, chat. We would have made a lot of money today. I don't know any paid Discords that give that much value, by the way. Like the trades we shared, even some of you guys, some of the trades that were shared by the community were also insane. Like Irv also shared some real banger trades. So our community is getting really crazy. The community is not so big. We have a lot of members, but it's been really inactive because I haven't been active there for a while. But since I started streaming, there are people now being a lot more active as well, which is cool. We are at the previous day point of control here. Can it hold? So I want to see lower, chat. I want to see lower here. This is where I'm going to go into a long. I already have this trade placed, so I'm waiting for this limit to be active. I'll try to share more stuff. Yeah, always share your trades in the Discord. It's always cool to see. I'll basically look at all the posts from other people. I hope we can do the giveaway like this. I'm waiting for a response. Let me DM him again. Can you check again? I hope we can do it like this, else we're gonna do it, if I cannot do the giveaway like this, we're gonna do it really simple. I'm just gonna collect all the names that are active and type the giveaway word for 7 days, and then we're gonna choose the winners. But please also be active on Discord, guys. Fundednext wants you to be active on Discord. So yeah, please do this, and it's really simple, just post some stuff on Discord. But don't spam though, I don't want to see like random spams. We are dumping. That was a crazy fake out here. So what trades are you guys waiting for? Is anyone waiting for a trade here as well? So I'm gonna show you my trades quickly again. I actually have trades placed. So we have one placed here at 6663. And we have, this is a buy, and we have 2 sell limits here. So I'm waiting for these sells, or I'm waiting for these buys here. I don't really want to risk a trade in between here, honestly. Since we don't have a lot of support in between here. So we're waiting for this, chat. We are waiting for this. I need to get back in demo trading. Been unprofitable for a month. Now just blown the account, because I didn't stick to the psychology rules. Yeah, this is the most important thing, chat. And this is why I always tell you, listen, this is exactly why I tell you all the time. Don't risk a lot. Most people, you know, most people have issues with psychology because they risk too much. So they're not comfortable losing that amount, and that's why they tilt, you know what I mean? So the biggest, honestly, the best thing you can do if you have problems with psychology, reduce your risk. Just reduce your risk by 50% or even more probably. Because it's all about this, like, especially if you're unprofitable. What you want if you're unprofitable is you want to collect stats. And how do you do this? By live trading. And if you gamble around and lose the accounts after 2 weeks, you can never collect data. You know what I mean? So in the best case, you want to risk only the same amount of contracts, collect data for 3 months or even longer, 6 to 12 months is even better, from live trading, and that's how you actually become profitable. We are just going down. Yeah, that's the most important thing, reduce your risk, guys, and because a lot of people, I mean, I was also like this when I started out, I also risked too much. and then you lose a trade and then get tilted because you risk too much. But if you don't risk a lot, you also get less emotionally affected by losing trades. So yeah, and honestly, you don't need to risk a lot. As I said multiple times, it's more about getting more accounts and not risking a lot and scaling the accounts instead of risking a lot and blowing the accounts. That should be your main goal. Just keep the accounts alive and grow the accounts, so buy more accounts. So once you, for example, once you were max funded on Fundednext, you will wait for a payout, and with the payout you buy more accounts, and on Topstep, on Lucid, whatever, on Tradify, and then you scale the accounts like this. And once you have like 10, 20 accounts, you can make a lot with risking only 2 contracts or even less. Like you can make a lot of money. So this is how you should approach this whole thing. And most people, what they do, they get a funded account and they gamble around. They risk like 1 or 2% or even more for the trade, which is just way too much. Like, that's the biggest mistake you can do. Previous day very low hit again. Man, is it one of these days where you have to wait a long time again? You never want to worry about the trade. That's really bad. Yeah, you should never worry. And best thing is you should stop trading. You should set yourself a rule. So let's say you lose 2 trades, you lose a certain amount of capital per day, then you stop for the whole day. That's also really helpful if you have issues with that. So I can really advise you to do this. I would love to see lower or higher, chat. I don't want to trade this yet. So it's 1 hour, not 50 minutes after New York opened. I don't know, I still think we can see a big move here today. It's Friday the 13th, so... like I want one of these, you know, I want one of these pushes higher or pullbacks lower to the extremes, so we can get into a trade and it will get much quicker to our take profit. This is also why I like to wait here. I mean, yes, you could scalp trade here and probably win trades, but yeah, I'd rather wait for a really good setup where you can expect a really quick move to the other way. And this is what I'm waiting for here. And we are still up today, 2k, so... Earth, what level are you waiting for? What short level are you waiting for? Or long level, whatever. Kinda boring for us right now, chat. This is just such a nice level to wait for here, the low of this range. Kinda wanna wait for this here. Because then we can trade this previous range up to the highs again. So we can trade it from 6660 up to 7k again. That's a really clean setup. I mean, yeah, this was a long here. You can see we reached this level here as well. So if this holds, we can go higher. If we break below into this range, we are in between the last session range though here. Might just not trade more today. Me as well. If we don't go to the levels, I'm not gonna trade anymore. I'm just waiting for this level. One more trade. Because I had no losing days this week, chat, so there's no need for me to like force any trade at all. That's the biggest mistake I could do right now, force a trade and lose my gains. I always trade like this, honestly. If I'm up on the first day, like if I'm up on the day, like now, right now, I do not force the next setup. I wait for one really clean setup, and if the worst case I lose it, I would be break even. So yeah, this is my plan. It's 3:30 only. I mean, a lot can happen still, chat. Looks like we're holding low so far. Staying above the previous session. Well, not quite yet, still below. Need to reclaim 6704. This would be kind of bullish, but if we go into this previous session, we can definitely go to the lows here again. Maybe even today. Oh, I wish I would have held the long a little bit longer here though. Then we would be 46k up here on the day, which would be insane, but it is what it is, chat. I'm not angry about this at all. I mean, would have been nice though. Kind of don't think that order for level brings a big move now today. Yeah, I'm happy with 1 to 2 hour. Like, I'm completely happy, Earth, with one more trade where we're gonna hit 1 or 2 hour. It's gonna be another 4k or 2 to 4k. Know what I mean? Doesn't have to be a really big move. Even getting into a trade, I'm probably not gonna hold it long anyways. I'm gonna close it at 2 hour most likely. But I would like to see one of these trades where you get in and then take profit hit after like 30 to 60 minutes. And I don't think we will see this here. It's also a lot riskier to go into long here or a short. How was your day yesterday, Earth? I don't want to long today. Yeah, you are really bearish. I noticed this yesterday. You are really bearish. But you're right. I mean, low time frame, we're still kind of in a downtrend that I showed before. I mean, next week, chat, next week we're gonna have a big breakout for sure. We're gonna break out of this here. Let me show you. So next week could become really interesting because we are in this massive triangle here. Like, look at this. So next week we are either gonna go... we are either gonna break out of here, which would be really bullish, or we are gonna break out to the downside, which would be obviously really bearish, by the way. Then we go a lot lower. So yeah, next week will be really interesting, I think. Unless we're gonna range the whole week in here, then it would be kind of boring, but I don't think so. I think next week we're gonna see a breakout here. So yeah. So how many people joined the giveaway? If you want to join the giveaway, chat, type ! giveaway. Really important. We have, let me see. We have how many people that joined? 13 people yet. Nice, man, crazy wins. Next week we're gonna short pattern trade. No, I don't like to trade short patterns, but they're good to look at as high time frame usually. But like day trading them is kind of risky. ! giveaway to join the 15k giveaway. I'm giving away 150k in funded accounts this week, chat. Inside of my Discord, so join the Discord, be active in the Discord, and sign up with my link. We're giving away a lot of accounts by next Friday, so 10-15k accounts can be won. Kind of boring right now, I'm not gonna lie. Back in this range here. Kinda boring. You should make an off-topic or sports channel. Really, you think so? No, I'm kinda happy with trading. Kinda like to stream trading, actually. It's kind of fun. And I think there are not a lot of people that do what I do, especially everything for free, and actually trade on real funded accounts. So yeah, it's just a matter of time, I think, until we also get a little bit more viewers. I mean, I've done this like for 3 weeks now in a row on YouTube, and last week I wasn't that active. I mean, I streamed like 3 times, I think. 2 or 3 times only. But now with the giveaways, that's a big thing for the streams as well. Like, you can give away so many accounts like this. I don't know here, chat. It's kind of boring. I want to see lower here. Really want to go up here. So this is the key level I'm waiting for. Still above the daily VWAP though, so... Now it's still good that I closed the long, I guess. Here's where I closed my long, by the way. But yeah, if I closed it up here, I would have made a lot more. It is what it is though. We had an insane week, so I cannot complain at all. Did anyone also long this? Irv, did you also long this, by the way? Or you were in a short, I think, right? You were actually in a short that printed. 6722 scalp level, maybe short. Yeah, this is, yeah, maybe a scalp short, I agree. But I don't know, I really want to see 6750 hit. I actually would love to see this hit. But it's kind of far away from for today. But you never know, honestly. I mean, sometimes there are, trust me, sometimes there are crazy pumps or dumps. Like, at this time now, the next 3 hours, it can happen. It's not like it never happens. I mean, the news are over, but still we can have a big movements now after the news. Yeah, but daily VWAP is my daily VWAP is my worries for that scalp short. Yeah, that's true. We're trading against the daily VWAP basically, against the trend today. Wow, I was such a clean, I had such an insane entry here though, 6658. I mean, it could have been better, but in the end it was still really good. We gotta be patient, I think, chat, today. I mean, I'm definitely gonna take a short, as I said, on 6752. Because if we go up there today, I think we will have a quick dump to the downside, actually. And this would be really lovely for the trade. It's not that far away. I mean, it is possible that we go up here today. It is actually possible. It's only a 40 points move. I mean, only, it's a big move, but... Strong pump here again. Is anyone trading this range, by the way? I mean, for scalp traders, it's nice to trade this range actually. Short the previous day value high and then long the low. Really simple. Nope, just partial and then stop loss. What do you mean by that? We are at the previous day equilibrium again. Can we reclaim this? I mean, I would love to see higher. I hope we're gonna pump higher, chat, to my short here. Really would love to see this level hit. Because if we go there today, we are probably gonna see a strong, quick reaction, which I want to see. So we can get a quick trade in. I just don't know if I should take it with one contract or two. Split them up. Probably two, like taking it with two and closing at 2 hours is actually really a nice plan as well. I'm probably gonna edit this. What a wick here as well. Strong buyers actually. Wait, let me show you, chat. So I'm actually thinking of... Yeah, I'm actually thinking of just taking this with two contracts here and closing it at 2 hour. Because I think we can dump quickly from this level. You only trade one. I usually trade two, but trading two separate one contracts is easier to manage the trade and let the runner. But I usually trade two contracts most of the time. Sometimes three, but most of the time two. I'm probably gonna do it like this, chat. We're gonna close this here. I'm gonna close this and we're gonna... Yes, $200. And we're gonna go out here at 4k profit. I think that's the best day trade for today. I mean, if we pump up to 6,740, that would be crazy. Don't think that is gonna happen. Until market close, that would be crazy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it like this here. Now that you saw the order flow developing, I think this is the better setup. Yeah, that's clean, chat. Also have a 1 hour level there. Question is are we gonna get up there? That's the question. Yeah, I hope, chat, we're gonna go to one more entry. I wouldn't mind. 6662, so this is what I'm waiting for. Yeah, I want to see this level hit here. Wait, what was it here? Also 6662. Yeah, I'm gonna leave these trades running, chat. So either we go lower to this level, or I'm gonna actually put this on the chart as well. Can I copy this? Nope. There we go. I'm gonna put this here. This is also the previous month low, by the way. I didn't even notice this. The level that we want to shoot is also the previous month low. So these are the key levels for longs and for shorts here for today, for me. I'm gonna go to 5 minute now. I want to see 5 minute. We were on 50 minute the whole time, actually. It's loading in 1 second. Loading the order flow. There we go. I want to see the prints we had here. We had some bearish CVD prints. They were kind of bad though. I mean, yeah, they were kind of bad because we pumped higher. This looks much better, chat. I love 5 minutes on order flow. It's much better for me. 15 minutes is nice to look at, but yeah, I love to have this on for day trading. So we are at the daily VWAP. 615 scalp anti-short. You're gonna wait. Are you in it or what? Are you in the trade right now, or are you gonna look for it? What is your stop loss, Earth, for your trade? Fun stream, thank you. What would be the stop loss for your setup at 615? Looks like we're holding it here. You're in it already. Okay, then you're hoping for lower. How far away do you usually place your stop losses? Or you're doing it depending on the trade setup you take, probably. 6727. So above here, yeah, it's a clean stop loss. I mean, it's a decent trade. Let's see if Earth is gonna print, chat. Where are you gonna close it? Probably lower. 6689 is decent to close as well, or even lower actually, at my entry. To join the giveaway, chat, type !giveaway. I'm giving away 150k in funded accounts. By next Friday, all the winners will be posted in my Discord. So all you need to do is be active in the Discord chat, post stuff, and be signed up with my link and type !giveaway. We are giving away 10 15k accounts. What did you say? 6, 7, 15 scalp, anti-short in it, 6, 7, 2, 7. But top risk, it's a level and POC there, very depending. Yeah, let's hope it works out. We are gonna see if it works out here. Oh, so it's risk-free, okay. Let's see. Earth is gonna make some money here on this move. I'm still waiting, chat. I'm waiting for my plan, but it's a clean trade, I guess. Clean setup, actually. And decent entry so far as well. I think we can go lower, I guess. I mean, as long as I lose the daily view up, it's looking really good here. Big red bubble for you here. Wow, nice dump. $1.1k negative delta. This is nice to see actually for you, Earth. This is nice to see so far. 1.6k already. There are a lot of cells opening here. Wow. Look at the CVD line. Ton of cells. Nice. I like to see lower though. I like to see this level here hit, chat. Where are you gonna close it? What is your full take profit, Earth? What a day, chat. What a beautiful day. I mean, this week is insane, chat. Like, I haven't had a losing day. Not a single losing day. And Earth is also printing. I know that Earth is doing well because it's really active in the Discord. Mostly the people that are active in the Discord are the ones that actually trade a lot and also make money, usually because they share the setups and stuff like this. And he's really active as well. Well, not all of the time. There are probably also a lot of people that are inactive. I don't know about this, actually. Maybe a lot of people that just don't like writing and are still really good traders. But I would love these people to become more active. We need a lot of skilled traders as well to be active in the Discord. So if you are profitable, be active in the Discord, that would be nice. We are dumping, Earth. We are dumping. What a dump here, chat. Crazy. Previous day were a low hit here again. Let's see if we hold this. If we lose this, we're gonna go lower, which is nice for my long. I want to long this here, chat. We are gonna long this. Shouldn't lose this level here. Yeah, definitely gonna long this here if we go down here. So give us a bigger dump. It's also good for Earth. He's in a short. Guys, I need to take a quick break. I have been talking too much. I'm gonna be on a 5-minute break here only. 5 to 6 minutes. How many people are in the stream, by the way? Let me see. We have 12 people. Whoa, we were at 16 though. We had a drop now. We did have a little bit of a drop here on the viewer count. From 16 to 6 and then it pumped up again. That's strange. Probably because you're not in a trade. Man, I need to be in a trade on stream. It's the best for the streams to be in a trade. We need some nice stream trades. But obviously I'm not gonna force a trade just because I'm streaming. But yeah. I'm gonna leave the order flow running here. I'm only gonna be gone for 5 minutes, chat. Please leave the stream running. It's really good for the algorithm. Yeah, I'm gonna take a quick break. I have a buy limit placed here, so I'm gonna leave this here running for you guys. Hello from India. Oh, now we have new people joining, and I want to take a quick break. Equity Digger. That's a funny name. Equity Digger. Welcome to the stream. Someone from India. That's cool. Nice to see you. Guys, I'm gonna take a 3 to 5 minute break, even though we have new viewers stepping in right now. I need to take a quick break. Like 5 minutes. I will be back right away, but I'm gonna leave the order flow running here, so you can actually look at the order flow and you can interact with the chat as well. Earth is in a short, guys. So Earth took a short here. So there are some people in the short right now. I'm still waiting for my levels. I have one limit placed here at 6665. So I'm waiting for this level here, chat. Really strong dump though. Earth is printing right now. Earth is printing right now in his short. Alright, I'm gonna go for 5 minutes, chat. 5 minutes. See you later. Dumping. We are dumping, I mean. Previous day close hit, previous daily open hit, chat, I'm back. I am back. Do we still have some people watching? I think I wasn't even gone for 5 minutes. I really rushed back here for the stream. Man, these things have quite a lot of coffin in them, I think. At least I can feel it. 6666 chat. This is what we are waiting for. Come on, give us this entry. We're getting really close here. Jan wrote, yeah, at least that I guess. Luckily, I finance my retirement with option trading and not with day trading. Oh, okay, that's different, obviously. That's crazy. Option trading seems so crazy. Welcome back. Thank you, Batched. We are back. To join the giveaway for these people that haven't typed yet. So by the way, we need to do it like this. I talked to the guy in the break quickly, to the guy from Fundednext. So we need to do it like this. He wrote back, let me read it to you. He wrote back that it would defeat the purpose of the giveaway. The goal is to give the accounts to the most active members. So guys, you need to be active on Discord, but you can also type giveaway on each stream. I will collect all the people that always type this every stream. So this will also help me to like draw the winners at Friday. And on Friday I'm gonna announce 10 winners. So we're gonna announce 10 winners on Friday. This is gonna be insane. It's actually also funny. What is my entry? 663.25. Yeah, wait, let me quickly check this. Where I want to enter. I'm gonna put it at 664 here. 664.50. This is gonna be my entry, chat. And stop loss I'm gonna place at 6640.75. This is also a crazy template I want to show you quickly, chat. This is also kind of crazy template here. Well, look at that previous month VWAP just being respected here as well. So this would also be on the other short end. This is for next week. Really interesting, by the way, this level. Wow, we had 93 single prints on that one. Previous day close. We are at the previous day close. I mean, yeah, let's see. I hope we go lower here. My entry. Crazy how far the CVD went up, but we just went lower here. If you look at the CVD curve, we had a lot of buyers. I'll hand over my contracts, Sato. Are you still in the short, by the way? You closed it right now, probably. This was a juicy short that you took. Really nice short. How well does your strategy work with split volume during rollover next week? We will see. I mean, we will see. It should perform the same though. But what do you mean with rollover exactly? What do you mean with that exactly? Can you hold this here? I want to see lower in the bullish CVD print. That would be so nice, chat. If we go to my entry and they see bullish CVD print. Go big or go home. Imagine we hit another take profit. That would be crazy. I mean, if we lose this trade, I will lose 2k. That's fine. Still be green. Really, still be up a lot this week. And if we hit the take profit, I mean, this is going to be insane, chat. I'm probably gonna not hold this too long. We're gonna close this most likely here at like for 4k. For 4 to 5k. I'm actually gonna put my take profit at 4k at 2R. I'm more than happy with making another 4K today, I mean. In the worst case, we go out break even today, which is fine. Really good week anyway, so. We're getting close, chat. We are getting close. Let's go. I didn't expect this dump, actually. It's cool that we're going lower. It's good for the stream as well. Come on, let's go to our key level, chat. Here we're gonna get a trade filled. Let me see where my level is. We are dumping like crazy. Holy moly. Now please go here and a bullish CD print. Come on. Imagine instant stop loss now. Instant stop loss in this trade. Wow, chat, we're getting really close. Okay, now we gotta focus here. No CD prints yet. Come on, fill the trade, fill the trade. We're getting really close. Come on. Come on. It's gonna fill though, I think. There's no way it's not gonna fill. Wait, did we hit the level? Not kinda yet. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. We filled, we filled, we filled, we filled. No bullish CD print yet though, but we are in the trade, chat. We are actually in a trade. I hope they got copied. Let me check. Yeah. No way. Wait, no way, chat. Don't tell me my accounts are unconnected. Why are my accounts not updating, chat? No, 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 please. Wait. Chat, I need to fix this. I need to fix this. Quick. Like, I don't know. I don't see my... Why? They're connected though. Let me reload this. I need to be quick here now, chat. Oh my god. Like, I'm not filled on all my accounts. Am I? Is this just bugged here? Oh wait. No, we are in a long now. I think. Let me quickly check this, chat. Something is going on here with the platform. No, we are in longs. But it doesn't show the P&L. It shows unknown. But there is positions open. So I don't know about this, chat. You cannot see my P&L right now. But we are in the long. We are actually in the long, I think. And let me check the accounts quickly. Oh, I need to make sure I don't leak anything here now. Let me quickly... Yeah, we are in the longs though. Good. God bless. God bless. I already thought it doesn't work. I don't know, chat. I don't know why you cannot see the P&L. Maybe it's gonna update soon. Let me see now quickly. Connections. It is open though. The trade is open on all accounts. I checked manually now. Well, I already started to like go crazy. Let me hide this here. Don't want to share the names of my accounts. Sorry about this, chat. We are in the trade though. I cannot even focus right now. We are in this trade though. This was scary for a second here. Imagine I missed this now. Alright, we are back. You cannot see the live P&L, chat. This is annoying for the stream though. How can I fix this? Why isn't it showing? Oh, this... I don't know, chat. I'm gonna quickly write in Discord to trade copy onto the team. Hey, my live P&L is not showing. I'm streaming right now. Let me see if I can quickly fix this, chat. I want to show you the live P&L. I also want to see it myself, I mean. The trades are open though, like it is really strange. Right, restarting. How can I fix this? Alright, there we go. Maybe I need to reconnect, chat. Maybe I need to reconnect. But let's wait a bit here. But so no strong reaction yet, and sadly no bullish CVD. But we are gonna hold this. I am gonna hold this, chat, for sure. I mean, worst case we lose 2k. We lose the profits from the previous trade, which is fine. I wanna see bullish CVD though, chat. We need to see bullish CVD. This is what we are looking for right now. You cannot see the live PNL. I'm gonna fix this now though. While we wait in this trade. Let me try this. I hope I don't close anything though like this. Disconnect. I'm gonna disconnect. Gonna disconnect, reconnect here. Alright, it's connected already. Now you can see it, and there we go, chat. So I had to do this, so only good. There we go, I did it, holy. Alright chat, we need to hope for... There we go, sorry about this. I don't know what the heck just happened. Probably I had this tool open for way too long. I had it open since yesterday, I think, so that's probably why. I'm gonna... fix now. I had... There we go, alright, let's see what's gonna happen here. I mean, it's a valid trade, chat. Everyone should be in now as well. We are in drawdown a little bit right now. We need to hope for bullish CVD now at these lows. So in the next 20 minutes, in the next 45 candles, I want to see bullish CVD form. I hope we're just not gonna dump lower here. I mean, I don't even know why we dumped so fast actually. That was crazy. And worst case, we lose this trade, chat. If I lose this, I'm gonna stop trading for today, because then I will be break even for today. So we're just gonna hold this. We're gonna hold this until 2 hour. Worst case, it's a loss. Then we also have some losses on stream. That's not bad. But yeah, I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna hold this. We need bullish CVD, chat. We need bullish CVD. Man, what are these sells though? It's kind of crazy. Looks like a Friday the 13th day. I mean, we could see a massive dump today, based on the date and everything, and it being a Friday. But we could also see a pump back in the previous value low, and that would be insane. If we go back here, that's insane for us. If we actually go above here, that's crazy for our trade. But it's cool. It's cool for the stream. I mean, I don't mind losing this 2k. I'm still up a lot this week, so I actually don't care if we lose this trade. We are at break even right now here. Come on, give us some bullish CVD prints, chat. We need to see bullish CVD prints here. If we see bullish CVD prints, it's gonna be really nice, I think. Then we have a really good entry, I think, here. Where's our stop loss here? Stop is at 6640. No, I'm gonna place it at 663975, chat. I'm gonna place it at that level, a little bit lower. Don't like to see this yet. Don't like to see this yet. So we need to actually hold these lows, chat. So this is the trade idea. We need to hold this low. So far, it's still looking fine. We're still at the lows here. Come on. I told you, chat, though, before, like, you never know what happens. This is why I love trading. You never actually know what's gonna happen. And today we just dumped. So it was good that I closed my previous long, actually. It was actually a good idea to close that. Man, I need to take one of these here. For streaming, I use these, chat. Because I talk a lot and then, yeah, kind of lose my voice over time. We want to see a bullish CVD print, chat. Come on. Can we do it? Can we actually do it here? No bullish CVD print yet. And if you see one of those on the 5 minute, that's actually already a really good sign for how long. I like to see this though. Here we reclaimed the level now. But it's still not enough. Like anything can happen still. We can still hit stop loss actually. Easily. We need to reclaim this. So once we reclaim 6690, it's gonna look really good. Even reclaiming 6680 is really good. Give us that move, chat. Come on. This is nice. We finally have a live trade again. I like to be in a trade live. It's kind of funny. Is Earth still shorting against us? Let's hope Earth is not trading against us. Earth, did you close your short? Please tell me you closed it. We don't want Earth to trade against us. Our odds, chat. It needs to be on our side. We're all gonna lose together here if we lose this trade. Or we are gonna make money together, which obviously would be nice. But you never know. I mean, we were really patient for that long, actually. A lot of longs got wrecked here. On this whole down movement here, a lot of longs got destroyed, so... It's definitely a valid trade to take for the end of the day. But obviously you never know. I mean, this could be a stop loss. Of course, it can be a stop loss. Any trade can be a loss, like... But once you get that into your mental, chat, you're not gonna worry about these losses, and this is the most important thing. So even if you lose this trade, it's fine. It is what it is. I'm just gonna go offline then. I'm not gonna trade anymore if I lose this trade, I'm gonna be honest. I'm just gonna go into my weekend and get back on Monday and take the break even. That's fine. I mean, we lose like $300, I think, at stop loss. 200. That's basically, that's break even on 500k. Know what I mean? So... Or we make another 4 grand. I mean, if you make another 4 grand, guys, I'm insanely happy about this week. I mean, I'm gonna share you my trading stats of this week after this trade, by the way. So even if I lose this, I'm gonna share the updated stats for the whole week. What a nice live trade, Dom. We are pumping a bit here. Come on, chat. We need to see bullish CVD prints. Let's go. Nice. I like to see this. A lot of shorts here, though. A lot of new shorts. If we go higher, we're gonna trap these. We have over 10k shorts here at the lows. Lovely. And now we're pumping a bit. We are already up here. Nice. Patience, chat. I'm telling you this all the time. Patience. Imagine you would have longed here. Imagine you would have longed here or here. I mean, this, we would have gotten wrecked already. And we are chilling now, I think. How much are we up already? I mean, already 750 bucks up. Almost 0.5 hour on the trade, chat. Not bad. Oh, imagine, chat, we hit the take profit here. This would be so insane for the stream as well. And for our community, if we hit a nice fat take profit before the weekend. But you never know. I mean, still, I want to see this reclaimed. Once we see, listen, once we see 6990 reclaimed, I'm gonna be really happy about this trade. Right now, anything can still happen, basically, like, but it's looking really good. I'm not complaining at all. It's looking insanely good for us. These big green bubbles, we need more of them, chat, come on. You should break even like that. Why? Why should I break even now? We can easily go to the entry again here. We can still easily go to the entry. I'm not break even yet. I'm not going to break even yet. Like, we can go up to here, down to here again, and then up. That's a possibility. To stop out all the longs here again, because a lot of people will do exactly what you said. Depends on your strategy, of course. Sometimes I also do it, but not on... depends on where we are. Nice pump, chat. Nice pump. Let's go. Let's reclaim this. Come on, come on. I mean, if we reclaim the daily VWAP, it's gonna be crazy. Then we're gonna see a big pump, probably. Oh, come on. We need to reclaim this. This is really important. Let's reclaim the daily open here, please. Not managed to do it yet, sadly. That would have been too nice if we reclaimed this quickly. More dump loading here, or... We had a lot of new buyers here though, I like to see this. I like to see that we had new buyers here. Need to hold this. Oh, still no bullish CFD prints. Come on, give us some bullish CFD prints now. If we see some bullish CFD prints here, then it's gonna look really nice, chat. Then we're gonna probably pump. Because you know how respected these CFD prints are, chat. You know it from my streams. They are kinda nice to see when you're in a long. Nice buyers, still sellers here, still people dumping here. Crazy. 2.6k dumpers here. Like 2.6k contracts are sold right here. Nice though. Nice, chat, come on. We can do it together. We can get the whales on our side here. Really juicy, I love to see this. Really sustained upwards movement here, a lot of new buyers as well. Come on, there we go, chat. Close, now a 5-minute close, 2 minutes to go for this candle close. If we close this above here, this is really juicy. 2 minutes to go for this candle close. Now let's hope it's not a wick here to the downside again. This is what I would not like to see. We are up how much, chat? We already hit almost 1 hour, by the way. Holy moly. I've been looking at extra charts only, but we almost hit 1 hour here on this trade. Crazy. Come on. Where did I have my take profit? I have it at 6705, chat. 05, so at the daily VWAP, a little bit above. Actually, let's place this here at 6701. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go out here just for fun. I mean, this is another 4k, chat. And we can still go lower then, and maybe we can actually look for one more long from lower. If we hit take profit here, chat, I'm gonna stream longer. We might go lower again then. 1 hour up almost, chat. 1 hour live trade in a matter of 10 minutes. This is why patience is key, chat. Live example why you have to be patient. Come on, let's close this. 50 seconds to go for the candle close. This is really important. Wanna change the prop firm. Fundednext is really good. Fundednext, you can also use my link if you want to support me and the giveaways. Norwin, I can suggest get max funded on Fundednext and then switch over to like Lucid. It's also decent. Chat, in 1 hour hit, by the way. We hit 1 hour already on this trade. No, not quite. Almost 1 hour. 14 seconds. Can we close? Can we close above the daily open? 10 seconds. 5 seconds to go. 3. I like to see this, chat. Nice. Can close above the previous day. Close. This is juicy. Now we just need to hold this here, chat. Man, what a trade so far again, live. I mean, this is... Chat, we are market makers. We are market makers at this point. Well, we cannot get happy because we still have the trade open, right? You should only get happy once the trade is closed. Selling here, though. Still gonna hold here, though. Don't see any reason really to close yet. I mean, we could lock in 2k. I mean, we could. But yeah, I would like to see here a retest of the daily VWAP. Come on, we can do this. Chat, who is in this trade as well? Come on, leave some comments. I mean, this This was a live trade, like actually a live trade that we waited for a long time. There should be a lot of people in a similar setup here as well, I think. I waited for this one quite some time with you guys. Come on, come on. We are still in this downtrend here, we have to keep that in mind, but I don't want to put stop loss to break even yet. I mean, I think we maybe can retest our entry. It doesn't look like it though, but maybe we can. I mean, now it's much safer to put stop loss at break even, by the way. If you want to be safe, chat, put stop loss to break even now. Then you're just safe, I mean. Kinda wanna let this run to the daily VWAP here, come on. Still a lot of sellers here. Now we lost the daily open again. Come on, we need. I still would love a bullish. If you see a bullish CFD print, guys, then yeah, that would be really nice. But it doesn't want to happen yet. But it can happen on these selling candles here. Once they close, it always forms once they close. So maybe we're gonna see a bullish CFD print soon. Hopefully, that would be so good for the trade, chat. Come on, it's 4 PM, chat. We can still go higher today until market close. I mean, I think we actually can reclaim even the daily VWAP. This was a really nice retest of the previous lows. We need buyers, chat. Come on. And we need a bullish CFD print. Wait, hey, Earth, you're still in the short, right? If you get Fundednext Earth, please use the link when you sign up on the account. You need to press the link and sign up. That really supports the giveaways. Because the more people use the link, the more accounts I can actually give away. So that would be really dope if you can do that. What is this, chat? It's playing with our emotions. It's playing with our emotions. Like, a lot of sells and buys here. Strange, strange. Please give us a bullish CFD print. 1 minute for the candle to close. If we see a bullish CFD print, that's gonna be really nice. Because if we see that, chat, I might actually hold this trade long. We will see though. But then I'm pretty sure we're gonna go to the TP we have set right now. Still short. Oh, you're still short. Bidding against us right now. But big profit taking, yeah, I can assume you probably had to, you took most of profits already, right? Nice buyers at these lows here right now though. But we have so many sells here, it's crazy. Please give us some bullish CFD prints. Nope, none yet. I'm being really patient here, chat, as you can see. I'm being really patient here. Still kind of scary. We can still take a new low in, probably, but I don't know, chat. I think we can go higher from here. I have the feeling we can actually go higher. And as I said, worst case, we lose 2k. It is not that bad. We'll still be break even today. And I don't know, I see us going higher from this low. A lot of sellers here though as well. See, you can see with 1.5k negative delta on this candle, it's kind of a lot. We need to reclaim this though, guys. Until we reclaim this trade can go stop loss. So if you want to go out, you can do whatever you want. I'm not forcing you to hold this. You can do whatever you want, chat, or put stop loss to break even, whatever. Nice. Come on. I want to really see a bullish CVD print. That's what I really hope for actually here. And I mean, we can go lower here and fill one and still go higher. This is kind of why I don't want to put the stop loss at break even yet. Remember, my stop losses are really wide, so I kind of can risk to hold trades, you know what I mean, because the stop losses are wide. And there are often times where we go into drawdown and the trade still goes into max take profit, you know what I mean? Like yesterday, for example. But it's up to you, chat. I mean, 1 hour is already nice, honestly. 1 hour is actually already a clean trade. So you can close it at 1 hour if you want. It's nice profits. Please give us some bullish CD prints. I would be fully happy with 2 hour on this trade. I'm probably gonna even close this at 2 hour. I don't know, it's still scary, chat. It's still scary. We need to reclaim these levels here. We really have to reclaim these levels. It's scary to stay below them. Once you reclaim this, I will feel much safer about this setup. Like right now, it's still really, really scary, this trade. Dumping now. But it's normal that it can take time for the trade to develop. I mean, there are a lot of low time frames traders trading this probably as well here. Getting close to break even here again. Now I don't have stop loss at break even, chat. Don't have stop loss at break even. Insane negative delta. Is this gonna be one of these Fridays where you're just gonna dump? Like, I don't know, chat. But if we, you know, these sellers are good in the end if we go higher right here, but we can also hit stop loss. Like right now it's, yeah, anything can happen. Still waiting for the bullish CVD print. Man, I don't like this though. There are a lot of sellers here. It's crazy. Strong selling right now, actually. We really need bullish CVD to come in here, chat. For this trade, we really need it. Small drawdown right now. Still a ton of sellers, crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna go off the stream, gonna buy a funnel account soon as I'm going again at demo trading. You guys stream and have fun. Thank you, man. Have a nice day and have a nice weekend. We are gonna wait here patiently, chat. We are gonna wait here. It's not good that we lost this. We didn't reclaim this properly here. Just not good yet, chat. We need a bullish CVD print here, like really badly. And giveaway, to join the giveaway, type exclamation mark giveaway, sign up with the link, with my Fundednext link. That's really important. And join the Discord and be active. And we're gonna give 10, 50k accounts away, by the way. We're gonna give away a lot of accounts. Come on, chat. We need buyers now. We need buyers. Double bottom, maybe, I hope. But I don't know, I don't like these sellers. Like, we have a ton of sellers still. But instead of using code, signing up is even better actually for the giveaways. If you sign up an account, but if you already have one, yeah, then you can use the code. Chat, we're just gonna chill in this trade, like stop loss or take profit, I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, we're just gonna stick to this here. But I want to see a bullish CVD. Once I see a bullish CVD, I'm already gonna feel a little bit safer, but as I said, I mean, this is, I don't know. We didn't manage to reclaim this. This was really important. This was what I told you. We need to reclaim this, not on just one candle close, on multiple. And we dumped right after. Right on the next candle, we dumped again. So this is not what I like to see, actually. Because we are below the daily open now. And really have to reclaim this. Have a nice one. See you guys on Discord. See you on Discord, man. Bye-bye. Really slow movements right now as well. It's kind of consolidating here. Is it gonna be one of these dump Fridays, chat? What do you think? Or are you gonna see a little reversal here until market close? I mean, I'm gonna be honest, oftentimes, like after 5 to 6 p.m, the slow pumps start on ES. So I'm really hoping for this, that we can see a slow pump until the market close. From this level here, or from a bit lower, we'll see. I'm really hoping for this actually, because often it happens. Now we hit a lot of sellers, and now I think we can go back to the higher value area again. This would be the way to go for our trade. But yeah, we can also hit stop loss, don't get me wrong, but I'm gonna hold this, chat. Probably some of you already closed this. I'm just gonna hold this. Like, I'm literally just gonna hold this. But I'm gonna go out at 2 hour most likely, at the daily VWAP. It's a good take profit. Please give us a bullish CVD. Come on, chat. We need a bullish CVD close. We probably no, we won't get it on this one, I think. Sellers are not giving up yet here at these levels, seems like. Still close to the entry. Oh no, I already thought there was a green dot. I already thought there was a green dot here. That would have been so nice, chat. I'm waiting for the bullish CD print literally here. I mean, we're literally the lows here. This is really important for the bulls to actually hold this level here. I'm in the long, wait, I'm in the same trade, hoping buyers will come in. Yeah, I'm hoping as well. It doesn't look so good right now, chat. But yeah, Anything can happen, trust me. Like, we can go close to stop loss and still go up. Like, it is part of the trading. This is why I'm just gonna hold this setup as a last trade for today. I'm just hoping for a CVD print here as well. See, now we're almost break even again. I don't know, I'm just gonna hold this chat. I'm gonna let this trade breathe, let the market breathe, I mean. With my stop loss at 6639, so we're kind of far away still from the stop loss, which is fine. But I don't know, I don't see any strength yet, chat, so I'm not really happy about this yet. Worst case, we lose the profits from today, which is fine. It's not that bad. Best case, chat, we hit the take profit for 2R, which would be insane. So that is how trading works. It's all probability. Nobody can guarantee where the market is gonna go now. We're just trading the level. Just trading our levels. But yeah, not a lot of buyers here yet, and no bullish CVD. This is really what I want to see, is bullish CVD here. Once we see that, I think we are gonna pretty much go to the daily VWAP here. Like, the chance is gonna be much higher of going up there, but if we don't see this, we're gonna slow bleed to the downside, then that's bad. So right now anything can happen. This can still be a TP hit, this can still be a stop loss. If it hits your stop loss, I'm entering there. Yeah, they could actually enter a new trade there as well if you want. But I'm not gonna do that because I'm happy with 2 this week, even if I go out break even today. So I'm basically risking my profits from today on this trade for more profits. This is what I'm doing. So if I would, yeah. So it's completely fine to take this risk. Come on, CVD print, chat, we need it. We need to hold these lows, that would be also really nice. Oh, this is really, chat, like this is the emotional part, especially when you're streaming. You know, if I wouldn't be streaming now, I would probably just go off the charts. But like looking at this is even, well, it's good to learn like discipline. It's good to learn discipline that way. By just looking at the chart and letting your trade run. But I would really love to see a bullish CVD print here the next 30 minutes. Without hitting stop loss, of course. We need to hold these lows, chat, come on. We only have to go to 6698. I mean, this is not far away. Come on. As long as this range here and we maybe soon see a bullish CVD, that would be the way to go, chat. Ranging around here, I don't mind ranging here, but seeing a bullish CVD print would be really nice. We're in profit again a bit. But as I said, anything can happen still. Like, there could be a negative tweet or some negative news and we just dump into stop loss. That's just part of trading. Like, nobody actually knows if the trade can go to the take profit. But it's a good trade. I would definitely take it again. Ooh, nice, chat. We saw a bullish CVD print. Let's go. We saw a bullish CVD print. So that's a really nice sign. There we go. That's really a good sign. It doesn't guarantee that we're gonna win the trade, but it now made the probability quite a bit higher, so that's a really nice sign here. Let's go. That's nice to see. But these don't always work out, chat, but it's just really nice to see them when you're in a trade. That's good to see for us. I'll give it some time. That is a nice sign though. We're dumping here again though, but As I said, these can also take time. I mean, we can go lower and have another one, but it's good to see this for sure. Because we are in a trade in it long right now. It's good to see this. We are dumping though right now. Is it the bait? CVD print? I hope not. Big dump here. Is it part of the CVD print that we're gonna trap all these shorts now here? That's the question. Or are we actually gonna go to stop loss? But I like to see this print, even though we are dumping now. What are these cells, chat? Still a ton of cells here, holy moly. Kinda baited here, the CVD print. So far at least, so far. Well, if we see another one, that would be really nice. We close this a bit higher now and see another one. In loss again, chat right now. Yeah, we really should go up soon, chat, come on. What are these sellers here? It's crazy. What was this dump, chat? Was this the short trap, or what was this? Or is it the shorts are gonna win and we're just gonna go lower here? I mean, right now the shorts are winning. We're below the daily VWAP, we're below the daily open. I mean, we need to reclaim this stuff here. I don't feel safe at all once we reclaim this. Oh, big green bubbles here, I like that though. That was such a strange quick dump here. Ooh, if we close another bullish CAD print here, that would be really nice. Still 1 minute to go for this candle close here. Wow, what a day, chat. What a day. What a day here. And this is exactly why I also like why the stop losses. This was crazy dump. Crazy quick dump here. Oh, let's go. This is actually looking good here, slowly. Don't get me wrong, anything can happen still. As I said, we need to reclaim this, but it's looking better than before where we were down here. This might be another bullish CD print here, actually. Let's see. 50 seconds to go, it all depends what's gonna happen in the next 50 seconds here. Wow, what a trade, chat. You gotta be really patient on that one, holy. I mean, I hope it's a profit, guys. As I said, all the trades I take are on my funded accounts, so... But this can also be a stop loss, we will see. Holy, what is this price action right now? What is going on here, chat? Yeah, a lot of whales are trading right now. It's kind of scary being in a trade right now as well. There's so many stacked orders here, like what is this? We had so many sales down here, chat, like 4.6k, 2.4k, 1.5k, 3.2k contracts sold, 1.6k, like it's crazy. No bullish CUD print, sadly here. Please, let us reclaim this here, then I feel more safe again, but this is like... Something is brewing up here. Yeah, the delta is insane right now. Also a lot of volume, as you can see here. I mean, not a ton of, but still a lot of volume on every candle here. I don't know, chat. It's playing with us. It's playing with us here. Just gonna give it time. Just gonna hold it, chat. Really simple. A lot of dumpers here. It's crazy how many people sell here actually. Yeah, it's really bearish right now. Like, I'm kind of surprised because we already dumped a lot. We actually already dumped a lot. Kind of surprised that we didn't even see a bigger pullback here. The upside. I mean, look at this, chat. Holy. I mean, these are a ton of sellers here. I don't know what's gonna happen here. We might hit stop loss, chat. We might go higher again and trap them. We will see. I'm just holding this, literally just holding. Obviously, you don't have the cleanest entry now because you're getting closer to stop loss, but it is what it is. We can still turn around here. It is possible to turn around here still. Ton of sellers though, it's crazy. Stop loss is at 6639.75, and if we go there, I'm gonna end the stream and we're gonna be a little bit in a loss, like $300 on 500k funding, which is basically a break even for me. But yeah, I'm gonna hold this. I'm definitely gonna hold this here, up to here. I mean, closing it now makes no sense at all. But it is just dumping, chat. We are actually at 650 already. Really need some whales to step in here. Just going lower and lower and lower here. Crazy, 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 crazy. Yeah, so much negative delta. 1.7k here. Now we're at 2.2k. 2.7k new market sellers opened here. There are 2.7k more sellers, market sellers, than buyers. Like, I don't know, the buyers are just not stepping in yet, chat. We're getting kind of close to the stop loss here. Well, not 10 points away. It is what it is, chat. What is this dump? I mean, we really need to see buyers stepping in soon, chat, else we're gonna hit stop loss. There are literally no buyers here, or not enough compared to the sellers. We need some step buyers soon, guys, really. I'm probably just gonna hold this. I mean, I'm just gonna hold it now anyways, but I might even just hold this to market close. If we can survive it that long, obviously. Ooh, some buyers are finally at least stepping in, but we still need more. It's not enough. Far from enough. No bullish CVD, come on, give us another one. My feelings, yeah, it is playing with us, chat. This is what trading is. It is playing with us. We just gotta trust the process here. It's gonna be a stop loss or take profit. I don't care, chat. I am just holding this like I hold on to anything. Anything can happen. I mean, the last trade also was almost stopped out and I hit full take profit. Like, it can happen, chat. Drawdown is normal. Sometimes we have crazy snipers. I know we had a lot of insane snipers, like to the exact low. But it's one of these days where it just doesn't want to go up, I guess. Like, I don't know. Doesn't want to go up anymore. It is definitely a good entry. Like, it's not a bad entry we had. For sure not. We waited. I mean, we dumped from 730 to down here. So we waited out this whole dump. And if we don't see a reaction from here, it is what it is, chat. Then we just have it's just Friday action. I don't know. This is why I also don't like Fridays that much. These dumps are always on often dumps are on Fridays actually. Diamond hands here. Literally right now. Doesn't look good though, we're getting really close here to the stop loss. Like any quick dump can like get us stopped out now. There are no buyers. Oh wait, did I jinx it, chat? Did I jinx it just now? Did I actually just jinx it by saying there are no buyers? What is this now? What is this market? I'm not saying anything, literally, I'm just looking at this. This is so weird. Chat, what is going on? Chat, what is going on? What is actually going on right now? Did Trump tweet something or what is happening? I mean, we are break even again, I guess. We are actually in profit again. Alright. Alright. I mean, what is this, chat? What is going on this Friday? This is a good reaction though, but honestly, I'm not saying anything, chat. I'm not saying anything until I close this trade. Like, literally anything can happen. Like, look at this market. What is this? Like, anything can happen. A whale is watching and saved us. Maybe, yeah. Maybe actually we have a big Chinese whale here. Or maybe it was a fake out. Look at this. Maybe it was a fake out. I'm not saying anything, chat. This is crazy. We're gonna hit stop loss or take profit here. This is insane what's happening right now. Like, what are these buyers? What are these buyers and sellers here? I mean, look at this, how distributed this was as well. I like to see that we see volatility though, but yeah, this could also maybe hit stop loss really quick if we go to the downside now with this volatility. But it could also mean that you see a big pump loading here. What is this, chat? Like, what is this? I mean, I hope these longs don't get all trapped here, chat. I really hope these whales can hold up. Because if they get trapped now, we are gonna go into the stop loss. This would not be good. That many buys getting trapped here. Should have called the 1R. Yeah, I guess me as well. But you never know, you know what I mean. I usually close my trades way too early, according to my stats. Usually I always close too early. So I was like, this time I'm gonna hold it a bit longer to at least 2 hours. I mean, come on. I didn't expect this to happen though. I mean, this is kind of crazy. What's going on right now? That was such a strange pump. And you know, Jan, if we hit 2R now, you're gonna say, you would have said, I'm so dumb, I closed it at 1 hour before. You know what I mean? This is always the thing with trading. You cannot look at it like this way. This is how you get tilted if you look at it like this. I mean, I don't know, chat. Like, this is strange behavior here. Pump it up, pump it up. Just when I opened my setup. This was a really weird pump here, that's crazy. I hoped it would go much higher, like, but yeah. Oh, chat, this is one of these trades, like, where you just have to be really, really patient and just hold on to the bag. And hold on to the strategy and, yeah, hope it works out. or we hit and lose the trade and be break even. I'm not gonna be break even. I'm gonna be in a small loss today actually, but it's not bad. I'm still really still an insane week, like. And this was a kind of weird day anyway, so I'm still happy to close this like almost break even. If we lose this, I'm completely fine with closing today almost break even with a small loss, like. I need to stop placing limits at levels that are really close overnight, like today. We would have had a crazy day if I only placed the limit that was further away. So I need to stop doing that. It's kind of risky, like, to place limits overnight. Man, I've been live for long today. Like, what is going on today, chat? I've been live for like, I don't even know how long. 2 hours and 20 minutes. We have been just watching candles. I don't know, chat. It's still looking bearish, I'm not gonna lie. Really need to break the structure here and make a new high. It's so important for my trade. I mean, it's 5 PM. Anything can happen, chat. Like, no, we're retesting the lows again. Oh, what a painful trade. What an absolute painful trade. Doesn't really want to go into our direction here. Doesn't really want to go here above these levels here, chat. These sellers here, look at this. Holy. I mean, we are literally at the lows of the range here, chat. We need to hold this here. Bulls have to hold this. I mean, if we break this low, it's getting really close with the stop loss, guys. Then we're probably gonna get... I don't know. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just gonna hold this. But it's probably gonna get really close if we lose this low. Come on, give us some buyers, finally. I don't know, these red bubbles, guys, it's insane. Really need to reclaim this level. We really need to go above here. Man, if we go up here, guys, I'm gonna take a quick smoke break. I'm just waiting to see if he hits stop loss, because if he hits stop loss, I'm gonna be done for the day. And if we go above it, that would be so nice. I mean, yeah, it would be nice. But I don't like this so far. We really need to see buyers here. Pump this up. We've spent so much time down here already, without any like real movement to the upside. The bears are really dumping here. What a trade here. What a trade here. Actually getting tired slowly here. Not gonna lie. Sellers don't stop, chat. They don't stop selling here. Like, it's crazy. We have new sellers stepping in all the time, like... Imagine we take these lows out and go higher than, chat. Imagine we actually go to the stop loss. Like, these are the absolute lows here. Or maybe we take them out and then go higher. I mean, this is a possibility. But I mean, who knew that we're gonna not see any pullback up? Pullback here, I mean, maybe it's gonna happen still, who knows? I'm still in the trade. But these shorts are making it really difficult here for us. I mean, this is crazy. They just keep selling new contracts all the time. How many viewers do we have, by the way? Are still people in the stream? 12, alright. Yeah, there we go. Strange. Yeah, but it could be that we take out these lows. It could be, chat, that we take them out and then see a pump. Man, I might need to take a quick break, guys. I need to eat something. I haven't eaten. I've streamed for so long. Doesn't look good right now here. Might be a stop loss, chat. And we might take out these lows and go higher from there. It could be it. Like these lows here. Yeah, this is probably stop loss, chat. Probably stop loss here. I'm gonna leave it running though. So I have my stop loss at 6739, but I'm gonna take a break here. If we go into profit again, I'm gonna stream again, chat. I'm gonna stream again, but I need to eat something. I'm actually starving, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm leaving the trade running here. So we might go higher. I have my stop loss that might take profit at 2R. Stop loss, as I said, 6493 is my stop loss. So we'll see. I'm gonna take a break. If we go up again, I will stream again. I'm gonna do a short stream after I ate something. I need to eat something. I haven't eaten anything today, actually. Almost. I ate something in the morning, that's it. So I need to really eat something, chat. We're gonna see how this develops. Yeah, I will just chill in this trade now. We'll see. Alright, let's see. Your worst case, break even a little bit in a loss. Maybe you can risk one more trade from the lows if you want, chat. If you want, you can actually try to risk one more if you hit stop loss if you want. That's the only setup I would take. If you can risk it. But yeah, decent week overall, really good week still. I had an insane week, even with this loss, an insane week if we lose it. But I need to eat something, chat. I'm gonna be back maybe if we go up here. Alright, thank you for watching. This is was my plan for today. Decent day. Difficult day to trade, I must say though. And I shouldn't have placed this limit so close. But I'm gonna hold this, chat. I'm gonna hold this. Maybe you can if you want, you can enter one more long if you hit stop loss. At these lows here, if we hit stop loss here, that's what you could do. Yeah, there we go. All right, have a nice day. Thank you for watching, and see you in the Discord. See you in the Discord, guys. And I'm gonna choose the winners on next Friday, by the way, of the 10 accounts. I'm gonna choose all the winners next Friday. See you guys. Thank you for watching, and the giveaway will be done on Friday. I will give away 10 accounts on Friday, and everyone that typed giveaway, I noted their names down. But I need to give them away on Friday, and please be active as well on the Discord, because Fundednext will look at this. You need to be a little bit active on the Discord to win. Alright, chat, see you, and I'm gonna stay patient here.